Use T25s to take out the fairings.
Broken?
Oil change.
Oil change?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, now that I took the left fairings off, we have our oil filter there, and the drain plug is...
To get to the home screen, just press the digital crown.
Drain plug is under here. Because when we unscrew the oil filter, it's going to drip down, so this is going to catch it instead of dripping on the headers. So for the drain plug, we're going to use a T50 star to remove it. This is what I'm going to use. This is what I got. So once you break it, start loosening it now. As I drip, we'll remove the oil filter and put in a new one right there. Okay, if I keep on draining, we'll renew. Always use a new crush washer. You can always get a whole pack of them right here. On Amazon, it's pretty cheap. The M16 drain plug. I'll link it below. Mahle makes them, so you guys can buy it directly from them or buy the BMW one. I'm using the BMW Avantec 540. So before we install it, I'm gonna pour a little oil in here. Do some oil, get on the gasket, get a nice seal. See a lot of oil dripping on, which is why I got the foil. Let's see. Look, that's preventing it from dripping all over my pipes. it down, you just start screwing it back in. Oh, shit. You don't have to. Just enough. Once your hand can't tighten anymore, that's all you gotta do. Give everything a wipe down. I'm gonna put a new crush washer on the drain bolt. And get your funnel ready. Gonna fill in the oil here. So we need 3.5 quarts, 3.5 liters, I mean, of this. So you're gonna have to buy 4 of those, and you have maybe half left over.